there she is, folks. I'll tell you, the hammer's a beautiful thing. You know, a lathe is the only machine that can reproduce itself. A hammer, deceptively simple forging, is, I believe, one of the few implements that you can, you know, entirely reproduce with the same tools. Yep, and I never get over that idea, you know, to make a hammer with a hammer. Real simple, I know, but I really enjoyed that thought. So here's one of about 30 hammers I've made in the last number of weeks or so, and yeah, it's kind of nice to you know, outfit individuals with the same tools that I use right here on a daily basis. Hammers and punches with which I make hammers and punches. So there she is. Well, tomorrow we'll probably treat I think I got a bunch of these ready to go here. Alright, well this here's about a 3-pound hammerhead. I do sell these, but boy, I enjoy making them. This is 4140. Alright. Well, hope you all have a good night. Okay, bye-bye.